Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So I am back with another video in the business ideas series, and today we are going to be talking about creating a button, or as you say it, a pin bag button business. Okay, so I'm going to show you a pin bag button from my business. It just says Coins and Connections University, make money, spend money. And on the back, it is the pin back button. Okay. See that? And then I am going to show you, this is a large paper clip button from a business. And it just has my nickname on it. And it's in WAP pink. Okay. So, I did sell buttons. I do sell buttons just a little bit over on my Etsy store. If you are wondering, well, can anyone make money from just selling buttons? Yes, you can. Okay. So I did have somebody who commented on something and was like teasing me on the way I said Shopify or Shopify. However, I already told y'all I pronounce words wrong, and I am not ashamed of it. So don't come over here with your BS trying to dictate how I speak. Okay? Yes, I pronounce words wrong. Yes, I fumble over words. My brain be moving too fast for my mouth. So now that that's out the way, you will be blocked. You will be muted. Okay? I don't come to your house or to your place of business and disrespect you. So don't come to mine. Okay? Thank you. Love you guys. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm not like a normal YouTuber. I say what I want, say it how I want it. Come with respect, you get respect. I'm just letting y'all know. I already told you I don't do all that bullshit. I don't play. My mouth will say some reckless stuff. But subscribe to my channel if you are okay with someone speaking up for themselves, being okay about who they are in their own skin, and unapologetically unpolished. Okay? I don't got time to be faking on the internet for you guys. Okay? So this business, inclusive of randomness, is a button business. And that's where the WAP pink paperclip came from. Okay? So they have circle buttons, large buttons, square, glow in the dark buttons, and oval buttons. This is owned by a Black business owner. I met her last year at New Orleans Essence Fest, and she is amazing. So these are her pins. They cost $2. Her button pins, pin bag buttons, however you guys want to say it. She has really great sarcastic buttons that I love. You can get your name on buttons like I have mine here. So this is what I got. I got that white pink. They also have Queen Bee Blue, and they have oval. She does this thing called Pin Your It boxes. I've had a few of them that I've gotten that had, different pins and stuff in there. Let me see, which ones did I get? I can't remember. Let's see. I got the Fuck Your Couch one. I got the February one. I got this one. I got Pin Your It July, and I got Pin Your It June. So they come out once a month. I think it's like the second or third Friday in every month. So she announces releases on her website, but she has collaborations. And then she also sells badge reels, bookmarks, which is what I have, shoelace buttons, and she has gift cards. But yes, you can create a business selling only buttons in Thrive. And this is basically all she has. Everything is button related with nice sayings. So another way to have a button business is to go over to Zazzle. This is where I got this button printed at. And where are the buttons? Probably should have looked this up before I did that, but I'm just gonna type it in. Buttons, because I do not remember where the buttons are. Why does it say my name? Say my name when no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. So they have pins here. Of course, they are pushing all election pins. Make sure y'all go vote. And then here you can create your own pins. They have square pins, circle pins, large pins, little pins. And then these are people who basically have pins that they created for their shop. A lot of voting things going on right now because, of course, that is going on. And I'm sure they had a lot of coronavirus ones in the previous months. Another place that you can get buttons created from is Sticker Mule. Mule, I have gotten buttons from Sticker Mule as well. They have round buttons, they have oval buttons, they have rectangle buttons, and they recently came out with these acrylic pins, but I will talk about that in another video. And then we're going to look over to see if we have some shops on Etsy that have basically just button pins, okay? People call them button pins, people call them pin back buttons. It's just whatever your preference is. But yes, you can create a whole button business. So this is, it says add by Just Sticker Button. So let's see. Just Sticker Button has 3,000 something sales. Let's see if the shop has nothing but buttons. So just buttons and stickers. Okay, awesome. You can create a business with just buttons. They have buttons and stickers. So have a lot of things going on here. Round button stickers to go on your water bottle. All right, let's see if we can find another one. Buttons everything. Let's see what their shop is about. 1,700 sales. So they have some buttons here. Okay, look like they, I don't know, it's 2017. They started in 2017. And you can basically, Button Republic, let's see what that's about. You can basically kind of tell from their shop name. So they have a lot of buttons here. A lot of people, of course, are doing the trending ones, voting, Black Lives Matter, more. So yeah, they have all pins, pin back buttons. So again, creating a button shop and being in a niche button shop. So a lot of these have like a variety of things. So say that you love cats and you create a pin back button shop that caters to cat lovers. I'm sure there's a whole lot of different cat species out here, different types of cat, just like there are dogs. If you find those groups, those Facebook groups that talk about the different kind of cats, maybe there is some language that cat owners know about. Maybe it's about the claws, how you have to clean out the cat's, what is it? Oh, what's the thing called? The litter. Like maybe there's some funny jokes surrounding the cat mom and dad community that you can create a whole pin back button around, where people who are cat owners who are happy to wear their buttons because they're cat moms. I know a lot of people talk about dog moms and dog dads and stuff like that, but how many people do you often see with stickers that say cat mom and cat dad? Maybe no one has catered to them yet, and maybe that can be a business that you create for the button community who loves cats. Okay, so that's just an idea that I'm throwing out there. I did not do any research on that, so you would have to research that and make sure that the cat industry may need buttons. Okay, even if they want buttons, they might want stickers. I don't know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this business idea that you can use for your print on demand business, or just for any business that you may want to create. So as always, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell me if you buy buttons or if you're into buttons down below in the comment section. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video.